Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the part one for my piece for my Coco Chanel emblem. But before we get into that, everyone, if you want to learn how to create amazing and elegant DIYs and produce stunning and fabulous revamps with all types of home decor and lifestyle stuff, hit that subscribe button. Also, double tap your notification, then you'll know every time that I post a video. All right, everyone, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. We are back. And again, this is part one for my Coco Chanel emblem, because I am putting my Coco Chanel emblem on a frame to be styled in a room in my home. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need paint, and I'm using black paint because I'm painting the frame black. So you're going to need your paint, your paintbrush, Mod Podge. You're gonna need your scissors, even your glue sticks and your glue gun, your glitter, and I'm using this as my back, and I have the holographic glitter and gold, and I have the regular glitter and gold. You're gonna need those. You're also going to need a foam board. And the major piece for it is actually a picture frame. And you guys, I had put this in my trash pile because I was fit to throw it away. But with me doing the Coco Chanel series, I was wanting someplace where I can put the emblem that I'm going to DIY that you should see the day after this video airs. So you're going to need your frame. So what I'm going to do first, you guys, is we're going to paint the frame. Then we'll come back and get this part one to the Chanel emblem started. I looked at the frame, and I pulled out the original picture that I kept in there. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, is I'm going to take my foam board, and I want to measure it up precisely with the original picture in there. And I'm just going to take my pen and trace around it. I should have pulled out the X-Acto knife and just went ahead and cut it, you guys. That's what I should have done. But while I have my frame sitting in place, sometimes for foam board, you just take your scissors. I'm just going to finish searing it. And you should just be able to hit it and it breaks. And all I'm going to do then is I'm going to come back along and just cut it. Now once I get this all the way apart, you guys, we'll come back and we'll start the process with the foam. Mod Podge the board out. Hope everyone's day is going well. I'm going to sit that there, and I'm deciding how I kind of want these flakes on here. And this is some of the extra fine, and I just want to drop some of it through there as well on the extra fine. So we're just going to go in there with that extra fine. How about we just dump all of the extra fine on there, and I catch it with my other, and I'm using my cut piece as the piece to actually catch my glitter, because what I want to do is actually put my glitter on this way. And I may do all extra fine because I have two more the extra fine tubs of glitter. But I definitely wanted some of that holographic in there. So let's dress the edge up a little bit with the holographic. Now I'm going to put this on, you guys, and I'm letting you see what I'm doing. But once I get this down semi right now, I'm going to come off camera, and then I'm going to come back in and we're going to catch all of it. So I'm just letting you see this starting process. And it may be looking a little crazy, but we're gonna get it all worked in, you guys. She's looking like that, and we're gonna come back and catch it all. And I'm gonna sit this out of the way, and we'll be back. Now, when I come back, you guys, we're gonna have this piece finished. These have dried. Look at all of that sparkle, you guys. That's an amazing spark. It has dried and I have sealed it. The frame has dried as well. And all I'm going to do, you guys, is we're going to just add this back into the frame. So we're just going to put it in. And we can leave that, but you know we're not. So we're going to add it back in the frame. Foam board in. And you could glue this down, but I'm not, because I took out, this is the original picture that was in there, you guys. And I always liked it, so I didn't actually destroy it, but I want to put it back in. So we're just going to add it right back in. And you got to make sure you get it back in up under all of the nails once again. I think that's some nails. Then we're going to take our knife again and clamp her back down. Let's see what she's looking like. And she's looking like that, you guys. You got to see what the part 2 of this is, but I think you guys are going to love it. At least I think I'm already loving it. Just like it is. So just make sure if you use a frame that has clamps, you get those clamps back down. And I have one that's out here down, and this is what she's looking like. And to you guys, if you wanted to do something on this frame or this style without using your Coco Chanel logo, or I can use the logo, the bottle, or any different thing that you can dress up your own picture frame with to give you a whole nother look. All right. Again, I hope you enjoyed this part 1. Make sure you check out part 2 for the conclusion of this, and you will actually see part 2 will be debuted on tomorrow. But you guys, please check out those Coco Chanel series. Again, there's 10 videos total in that series, and this is actually number 8 or 9, because that logo, but 9, this is part 9. That logo should be part 10 to close out that series, unless I decide to add some more pieces in. But again, you guys, please make sure you come back on tomorrow and check out part 2. And everyone, you still know your girl can't close out without saying, we are restructuring for results so we can implement the necessary changes to cause growth to come to area of our life. And still, don't forget, always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you in another video. Bye, everyone.